Hi kids, welcome to my cute tunes with Chalk. Today we're going to draw Rarity from My Little Pony, so follow along with me. So first up I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to draw with it. So let's begin. As usual, I'm going to start with the eyes first. So I'm going to draw a big beautiful eye here. There we go, there's one eye. And now we're going to do something a bit different. We're going to draw the eyelid. So I'm just going to draw a line up like this. And then I'm just going to draw a few, then I'm going to draw the few eyelashes and then the eye. So I'm just going to draw another line down like so, and then I'm going to draw the pupil. So this pupil is going to be big. There we go, there's a pupil, and of course don't forget the light reflection. So there we go, and then we color in the eye, and we can color the pupil black, and there we go, that's the first eye. And then Rarity has eyelashes on this side as well. So there we go. There's a few eyelashes as well. And right on top of the eye here, we're going to draw a little ear. So I'm going to draw a line like this. And then I'm going to draw another line back, just a bit wider like so. Good. And then from here, I'm going to draw a line up. And again, we're going to just draw a line back like this. And we're going to connect it. And there's Rarity's ear. Perfect. And then from here, I'm going to draw a little unicorn horn as well. I'm going to make a mark like that. And then I'm just going to draw it up and bring it back like this. Good. And then just a few grooves in her unicorn horn as well. I think that looks absolutely beautiful. What do you think? Next up, I'm just going to draw a line up like so. That's going to be a forehead. And we're going to draw the little nose. So I'm just going to draw a little line like this. I'm going to bring it back and I'm just going to make a little smile like that. And then of course a nose, a nostril. And then from this side we're going to actually draw the other eye. So I'm just going to draw a line like this. Good. And then another eyelash. And we're going to draw an eyelash up. And we're going to draw another eyelash that right there. And then from here, I'm going to draw the pupil again, a light reflection, and I'm going to color in the pupil as well. There we go. And then just the eye again like this. That's absolutely perfect. The top of her head, I'm going to draw a line like that. And we're going to continue on this side and we're just going to draw a line back like that as well. Perfect. And now from this side, we're going to draw the neck. We're going to draw a line down. Good. And from this side, we're going to draw the bottom of her jaw as well. Like that. There we go. Perfect. And now what I want to do, I want to draw the front part of Rarity's neck and then her chest. We're just going to draw a line like this. Good. Perfect. Right, and then let's draw Rarity's leg. So on this side I'm going to draw the front leg. Just going to draw a line down like this, bring it back, and then I'm going to bring the leg up again like this. I'm going to take the chest and I'm going to connect it there, and on this side I'm going to draw the other front leg like this, a bit shorter than the other one, and I'll bring it back as well. Perfect. And now we must draw Rarity's beautiful hair. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start here behind her ear and I'm just going to draw a line like this. And you can do the same. And then from here, I'm going to draw another line about this high. And I'm going to bring it back. I'm going to let it connect there. I'm going to bring it around and I'm going to give it a little twirl like so. Good. And then from here, I'm actually just going to draw a line like this, and I'm going to give it another twirl like that, and I'm just going to connect it like so. Perfect. And then from here, I'm just going to bring a line back like that, and that's going to be Rarity's hair. And from here, I can just make a few lines, another line as well. And then on this side, we're just going to make some something round like this as well. Perfect. And here I can just bring a line back, and I can bring another line back like that. There we go. And then from this side, I actually want to make a line like this and like so. So I'm going to bring it up, something like that, and I'm going to bring a line and another line. And then on this side I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm just going to bring it up like this, and we're just going to make something round like so. And then from here you're going to connect it again like that, and we're going to do something like this with a little twirl again. There we go. And then here I'm just going to bring a line back, and on this side I'm going to bring another line back as well. And from this side I'm just going to do something like this. Perfect. And then we can just follow a curve, and follow a curve as well. Perfect. From here, a line, another line, and maybe a line like that. And this Rarity's beautiful hair. I think she looks great. What do you think? And then from here we're gonna draw a line up. Good. Maybe just a little twirl like that. And then from here I'm gonna just make a line like this. That would be the hoof, and just gonna draw a line up, straight up, a little mark in, and we're gonna draw a line like this. And on this side we'll do the same thing. We're gonna draw a line, and we're gonna draw it back like this, and we're just gonna do something like that. And there's the other leg. And then from here we're gonna draw 3 diamonds. So we're going to draw a little diamond tattoo, another diamond tattoo, and maybe another diamond tattoo right there. And now for her tail. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line up, and I'm going to bring it down like this to there. And then from here I'm just going to bring a line up, and I'm just going to do this, and I'm going to let it touch there. Good. And then from here I'm just going to draw another line like so. Good. And then you can just make a few lines like this. And then from this side you can bring another line, and maybe from this side another line again. And the tail is not finished yet. And then from here I'm going to draw a line there. I'm going to bring it back. I'm going to take it up, and I'm going to connect it, because I'm trying to make the little curves in her tail as well. And then from here I'll just draw something, a little twirl again like that, and we can just maybe connect it like so, and you can just make a few lines like that. You bring it down, and you bring it down, and there's a beautiful curly little tail as well. Great. And that's Rarity. I think she looks absolutely amazing. So now you can take your markers and your crayons, and you can color her in the colors you like. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.